Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find XRP wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to simply open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, now you need to click on assets at the bottom right corner. Once you will be landed on this screen, you need to click on deposit button. From this list of currencies, you need to search for XRP in the search bar and select this XRP Ripple coin. And here you need to choose a network for deposit. So simply choose XRP Ripple its own network, and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on this network, and here you can see your both memo tag and deposit address along with the QR code. Simply copy both of these codes, and after that you can also share the QR code, and that's it. Now you know how to find XRP wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.